We are here at Roti Stop in Hikkaduwa, and now you're gonna see how these guys make rotis actually. So it's like the flour, and I think he adds water. Ah, these are ours. It's like with, I don't know, I forgot what I ordered, to be honest. What did I order? Ah, with tuna. Yeah, one of them is tuna. But yeah, let's see. So roti is only flour and water. And egg. The complete egg or only the egg yolk? Only the yellow or everything?
Everything.
Everything. Okay.
Salt.
And salt. Okay, now we add the salt in the middle. This is the view of the roti shop. That's how the Sri Lankan streets look like. You have restaurants every 2 meters actually. The pictures look good, but it doesn't mean the food looks good. So yeah, okay, now he puts the egg in. 2 eggs. 2 eggs for 5 kilo flour. And water. Sue is also watching. Okay, and then you just mix it and roll.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Our food is just here. So I'm more interested in that stuff. Content. Ah! More videos to edit. Okay, and then it just mixes it. I would just go for a quick snack. That's how mine looks like. Tuna, tomato, cheese, whatever. This is potato and onion.
And cheese.
And mayo or butter? I think there's butter.
Oh.
Let's see. Very good. This is like a super thin pancake. Crab. And the price is like €1.70. Let's see how far our friend is. Hard work. Hard work, yeah. Okay. We will come in a few minutes again, and then he will make the rotis, I guess. A few moments later. Now he's like cutting. And I think he put some oil. Okay. We put some oil. Oil?
After inside oil. After.
Ah, and now just some water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then after with the bowl.
Ah, okay. Stuff you don't know. Next step, making small balls, and then these are then ready to get fried. 2 small balls.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then you just put them here.
No. Then after keep the order making the roti making.
Ah, okay.
After with the flouring, then with some people order like this making it.
Okay. Good. Now you hear it, and this was the way to make a roti. So you need flour, water, eggs, and that's it. And now I show you how it's like made. How he puts it like on the grill. Now let's see. Turn on the gas. It's pressed.
The blender.
Huh?
The blender put the
Yeah. Some oil.
Yeah, it's not.
That's it. That's how the roti is made.
You from?
Huh?
You from?
I'm from Austria.
Austria.
Yeah.
First time Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
First time, huh?
First time Sri Lanka. Very nice. Till tomorrow I'm in Hikkaduwa and then I go to Gale.
Tour.
Yes. Sure, yeah. Okay.
Austria.
Austria. And that's it. But it's very nice here.
Yeah, thank you.
Very nice. You have a nice
No,
place.
yeah, a lot of people.
Yeah.
Very cool,
A
huh?
lot of Russians.
Yeah, there's a lot of Russian people there.
Yeah.
Before a long time ago, German, Australia, France people. Now, 4-5 years, a lot of Russian people.
Okay.
Russian patients by some live in the jungle villa,
Yeah.
live in 6 months, 3 months.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Since the war they came.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, since a few years there are a lot of Russians here. You can smile. Scared from the camera.